Here is my pop-up card using the Winter Meadow Suite. The suite includes the Magical Meadow bundle, which is super pretty and has that lovely watercolored look, and extra dies that you can add, including this embossed snowflake die. The suite also includes this sheer white and silver ribbon and the faceted gems trio pack. There's 3 colors here. And the Winter Meadow Designer Series paper, which is just gorgeous. And that's really what I wanted to highlight in this card, are these beautifully watercolored images that are on each side. And then there's a watercolor wash on the other side. So you have these really pretty winter images and then watercolor on the other side. So for this pop-up card, I've started with a template. I have one 10.5 by 4 1/4 piece of Misty Moonlight cardstock, and I've scored it at 1/2, 1 3/4, 3 3/4, and 5 inches. And then the second piece I have is 6 by 2 1/2, and I've scored that at 1/2 and 1 3/4. Here are my pieces. So I'm just gonna fold and burnish each of the folds. So I folded all of the folds in towards the center of the card, and then I'll do the same thing with these 2 folds so they both get folded the same way. Now I'm gonna add some of the beautiful DSP to the paper. I have a 4 by 1 1/4 piece of these lovely trees here. And then from the same piece of paper, I have a 5 1/4 by 4. And then for this middle piece right here, I have 1 3/4 by 4. I had a choice of which one I'm going to use. And so I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, now to connect these 2 pieces is really easy. You're gonna put adhesive on the 1/2 inch tabs. So this one right here and this one right here. And you're just going to fold this one at the second fold and lay it down flat. And that creates your perfect box right there. And then the second piece, you're also gonna fold at the second fold, and you're gonna line this folded edge up with this edge right here. And we also do need some adhesive over on the back of this side. All right, so you're gonna place that where you want to, and then this edge should line up over here. So try and get it as best you can in the middle here. And that creates the pop-up card. Really simple and easy. Now all we have to do is decorate. So I'm gonna start by stamping the sentiment, and then I'm going to cut it out with the Timeless Arrangements dies. I'm gonna use this die right here to cut this out using the Timeless Arrangements dies. Now I'm gonna use the Lost Lagoon marker and Moody Mauve markers to color this beautiful stamp that has some foliage and some berries. I love this Lost Lagoon Moody Mauve color combo. It's not one that I would think of myself, so I think it's a really fun color combination. So now I'm just gonna stamp this. And look how lovely that comes out. So I've already stamped and cut out all these pieces that I'm gonna add to the card along with my sentiment. And there is my Winter Meadows pop-up card.